My name's Benjamin Wood and I study Uniform Public Services. One of the favourite things we learned was last year when we learned law and politics. It was really fun, learned a lot about the government and the way the government works, and a lot about the laws that the police use and many of the Uniform Public Services. My tutors are fun, but they also want to help you succeed. Like when we all wanted to go different places. Some of us wanted to go into police, some people wanted to go into the army, many people wanted to do many things, and they just both helped us to get into where we want to be, like after we leave the college. And yeah, they're positive, and I think they can help us get anywhere we want to be. With the class, because you're always in the class together and it's your tutor and it's your class, you always all just bond together, all of you. And yeah, I've made loads of friends here, and I would want to go to this college if I wanted to make friends and stuff. So when I leave college, I'll be going to Portsmouth University to study criminology and forensic studies, and I've been offered lots of help from my tutors for that. And I'm one of the students in my class to be offered a scholarship from Portsmouth to go there, and I'm very happy. When I went to the other colleges, their course, I felt like it wasn't right, and then when I went here, I just thought it was the perfect course for public services to learn and help you get into any public service you like. And I honestly agree with that, what I've just said. Like when I went to all the other ones, it just didn't feel right, and then when I came here, it just felt right, just to, you can succeed in this course. And I would recommend anyone to go to it.